Alright. Hey guys, I was just looking at the pond down here by the dealership. So, yeah, I was just looking at the pond and I did tell you guys that I was gonna update you if I got any new vehicles or not. So I just got back so I'm gonna drive the Maverick back. And I actually got a new truck, which is going to be at my house. And my house is just right down this road. Here, I'll just park the Maverick here for now. But yeah, my new truck is in this shed over here. So I'll show it to you guys. There she is. My buddy said that I could have her. He said that he really never drove it. It was sort of like a SEMA built, like a SEMA truck or something like that. So he said he could lend it over for about 15 grand. Yeah. Anyways, let's take it for a test drive. First, gotta open the door. There we go. And I won't even be taking that long for a test drive, so I might as well just leave the door open. Plus, raccoons aren't on the day, so. Yeah, this truck is really nice. I really like the way he put in the build into it. Alright, let's turn around right here. Crap, that was kind of a sharp turn. Oh, there's Bob. Should have honked at him. He always says that I only have one truck to drive, but just got a new one, so I'm going to pull up to work with it today. But it's not even close to my work time, so. Yeah, this truck is really nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. I'll update you if I get anything new.